Welcome back everyone. I will do my withdrawal number 11 from this slide and stable platform for trade Bousdt USDT.org. If you want to recharge or deposit from here, go to the mine. After that, click recharge. After you click recharge, you can see everyone, copy this address and go to any wallet, Trust Wallet or Binance Wallet and send the money to this address. After you send the money, click this, choose TRC20 network. Like we see, minimum deposit 10 TRX or 10 USDT. I'll explain how to trade in this platform. Go to this. Like we see, in this platform there is two group for two single. For 5 minutes and a group for 1 minute signal. I will go to my channel. You can see link groups 5 minutes or 1 minute in the description of the video. This is group 5 minutes and this is group 1 minute. Like we see in group 5 minutes, there is no more 5 lose. This lose and this win, and you will see like that signal. And in 1 minute, this lose and this win. See that, and go to the platform and click buy, choose like the group and put the number, will trade with it and click confirm. I will trade and show you everyone waiting me. Like we see everyone, I will click big buy and choose single. I will trade with 2 TRX, confirm trade. I will waiting this time to finish. Like we see, I lose. I will click buy and choose single again, but this time I will trade with 40 RX, confirm trade. I'm waiting this time to finish. Like we see everyone, I win and my amount increases. Like that, we'll trade in this platform. Go to the group and see what is, and go to the platform and click buy and choose like the group and put the number you will trade with it there and click confirm after that trade. Be sure 1 minute group and 5 minute group. I will go to my withdraw. Click withdraw. When you want to withdraw, put your address while TRC20 there and the amount will withdraw it, and I will click withdraw. Like we see, minimum withdraw 10 TRX or 10 USDT, putting me. Like we see everyone, after I put my address wallet and the amount, I will click withdraw now. Confirm. Withdraw successful everyone. I will go now to withdraw and go to my withdraw record from here. Like we see, this is my withdraw number 11 from this platform everyone. Every day I deposit and trade and withdraw again everyone. Like we see. I will waiting this to click to write successful. After we write successful, in 2 seconds will arrive to your wallet, waiting me. Like we see everyone, it is successful and the withdrawal will arrive in 1 minute to my wallet everyone. Watch that. The withdrawal arrived to my wallet everyone. I will go to my wallet and show you my withdrawal. See everyone, see the time and the amount and the time here. In 1 second after we write successful will arrive to your wallet everyone. Don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel to receive all new and stable platforms for trade or for mining like BousDT.org, and you will see link the register with all link group 5 minute and 1 minute signal in the description of the video. Deposit and start trade with me everyone. You can message me so I can learn you how to trade in this platform after you deposit and register from the description of the video. Good luck everyone.